The Big Dipper. Been spending some time thinking about reloading and getting more and more down the rabbit hole, it seems. They say, you know, teach a man to shoot or reload and he'll be broke for the rest of his life. So decided to get this beginning kit for casting, and with this you can make your own bullets. And one of the things I've been realizing, spending some time looking at casting, I mean, reloading was one level, casting is a whole nother level, but I mean, you're talking about solid American self-reliance to the core, you know, being able to cast your own projectiles, you know, short of making your own powder. You can make your own primers, but your own gunpowder, I mean, you're talking about the most rugged aspect of survivalism in the wilderness in the West and anything, and casting is sort of you know, a part of that. With this kit, you get the Lyman Big Dipper furnace. This is supposed to be able to hold 10 pounds worth of lead. Then you also get the ingot mold. So you get your lead, whatever that is, fishing weights, old tire weights. You can melt it down. Then in this kit, you also get a dipper. So you scoop it out and then you dip it into your bullet mold, much like they're doing here. There are some more fancier ways to do this. One thing you need to do with raw lead bullets is you need to lube them. Otherwise you're going to get excessive leading, or the lead bullets themselves rubbing into your firearm barrel and causing leading in your barrel. Now most bullets that are commercially available and what most, you know, people just generally reload are these what are called full metal jacket or plated. So there's a lead bullet inside of there. I mean, there's a lead projectile, but it has this is a brass 45 ACP round. It has a jacket over it, so the part that makes contact with your barrel, your rifling, is the jacket, you know. Then there's a plated bullet, so the plating makes contact with the barrel. And then with lead, you either need to coat your bullets, which a lot of guys are powder coating nowadays, or lube them. So they give 3 samples of lube here. You get the super duper Molly. Hey, pop the Molly. You get the Orange Magic Premium Bullet Lube. And then you also get the Alex. So pretty nice kit. You know, I think it was $120 and I got free shipping and free dipping. Big Dipper. It's a little bit bigger than my fist. I say it's good for 10 pounds. I mean, the dipper, I don't know, you probably can get a couple hundred bullets easy out of just, you know, one melting. But the temperature gauge, you probably would want a thermometer if you're just starting out, which I think I'm going to order one as well. But a nice little, I mean, this is compact. I didn't have a ton of space, so you can get the big ones with the auto drop or the lever drop. And this is just starting out and seeing how much trouble I'm going to get myself into here financially with all this. Going down the rabbit hole, like I said, another little instruction manual. So nice little unit. You know, the other expenses here are you need molds and the handles for the molds, and not too big of an investment. And then also, you know, the lead, the raw material. So good to start out, you know, this little kit. We'll see how it works, and we'll just, you know, we'll go from there. So thanks everyone for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions.